We are hearing a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. I first ask that the court take judicial notice of the temporary order that was signed by this court on April 24th.
So noted.
Thank you, Judge. If I could state the terms of a proposed order and then take testimony from the parties.
You may.
Thank you, Judge. So the parentage and surname of the child were addressed in the temporary order, as were conservatorship and possession and access. All of those terms will remain the same in the final order, which is by agreement. There was also a finding of family violence and non-disclosure contained in the temporary order that will be in the final order. However, the family violence finding finds that it would not endanger the children for Mr. Fabian to have visitation. And it just finds that the exchange location will be either at the paternal grandmother or maternal great-grandmother's residence. The mother was ordered to apply for or maintain government medical assistance in the temporary order, and Mr. Fabian was ordered to pay cash medical support. The final order will order Mr. Fabian to apply for and maintain private health and private dental insurance for the child through his employer. Now, the issue of child support and retroactive child support were not addressed in the temporary order, and the terms regarding those for the final order are the contested terms. Mr. Fabian would be ordered to pay guideline child support of $520 per month beginning August 1st. And there would be a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Fabian from September of 24 through February of 25 in the amount of $2,812 as of today's date. Court costs would be as billed to Mr. Fabian, and that is the extent of the proposed order. If I may call the parties.
Hold on 1 second. Exchange location at paternal grandmother or maternal great-grandmother.
Correct, as per the temporary order.
Okay. Private health and dental insurance through his employer.
Yes, Judge.
Child support $520 per month, and the retroactive child support judgment $2,800, and I didn't get anything after that.
$2,812.
Okay, thank you. And how is it to be paid?
That I did not say. Thank you, Judge. Has to be paid at $50 a month beginning August 1st.
Okay, thank you. You may call your first witness.
Judge, I will call the mother. Ma'am, would you please state your full name?
Norma Rocha.
Did you hear the terms of the proposed order that I stated to the court?
Yes.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes.
And you are in agreement with the court entering a final order as I stated it to the court, correct?
How much does he have to pay?
The proposed amount is $520.
Could there possibly be like the settlements lower and just him taking care of child more?
So you're asking the court to deviate from the guideline calculation and set his child support at less than $520?
Yes.
What are you asking that it be set at?
Whatever he's okay with paying, as long as he takes care of baby more often and provides for baby.
Do you understand that we cannot put any condition in the order that says his support is lower so long as he does that?
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, so if the judge were to order a lower amount and he were not to provide additional care to the child, he would still only have to pay the lower amount. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you're having said that, you're still asking the court to order something less than the guideline support.
Yes.
Okay. Has Mr. Fabian been providing care for the child recently?
Not as often as it used to be.
All right, then I'll pass the witness, Judge.
May I call your next witness?
I'll call the father. Sir, would you please state your full name?
Fabian.
Did you hear the terms of the order that were stated to the court?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you are in agreement with the terms of the order with the exception of the amount of child support that you would be ordered to pay as well as the retroactive judgment, correct?
Is that like the back pay?
Yes.
Last time the lady said I don't have to worry.
Objection non-responsive.
Mr. Morales, do you agree with the retro or not?
No.
Okay.
Sorry, Judge, I'm actually trying to get on the record that he agrees with everything but the child support and the retro.
Oh, okay, so do you agree to everything else, sir?
What is everything else?
Mr.
term-
Town?
So I just stated a bunch of terms to the court and you said that you heard and understood those. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, the terms related to who the child lives with primarily, the visitation, the health and dental insurance that you're providing, you're in agreement with all of the terms as I stated them to the court, correct?
Yes.
Okay, but the child support amount that you're ordered to pay and the back pay, those are the two things that you are not in agreement with, correct?
No, sir.
All right. Now, we'll start with the child support. You understand that your employer has provided wages to the state, and that is how we have calculated what your guideline child support amount should be, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And like the mother, you are also asking that the court deviate from that calculation and order a different amount. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
What is that amount? What are you requesting that amount?
250 half.
Okay. And is your reason for that request the same as the mother's? Simply that you be ordered to pay less because you're theoretically going to provide more care for the child than what your visitation care
It's
would
not
be?
that. It's because I'm trying to help her more with other stuff, like her car and other stuff, so I can't be paying so much.
Do you understand that if the court orders you to pay $520 a month in support, that you have no obligation to assist her with those other expenses?
I understand, but still, she's the mother of my kid, and I will like to help.
Is there any other reason that you're requesting the court order a different amount?
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to spend more time with him, but I mean, I'm trying to spend more time with my kid, but if the court orders me to pay more, I will have to find another job.
Now, with respect to the retroactive support, that calculation includes a credit for $692 that you either gave to the mother or some expense that you paid for. You're alleging that you have made more payments either to the mother or on her behalf. Is that correct?
Yes.
And what were those payments?
Diapers, wipes in the past, and just overall giving her money, and that's it.
It was my understanding that there were two specific payments in excess of the 692 that you're requesting credit for a car payment that you made for her.
Oh yes, car payment.
Okay. How much were those two payments?
It was either every month, like 200.
How many months did you make those payments?
2.
Okay. Do you have any receipts or any proof that you could show to the court that you made those payments?
No.
So you're asking that the court give you an additional $400 in credit towards your retroactive judgment, correct?
If possible, yes.
All right, Judge, I'll pass the witness if I could briefly recall the mother.
You may.
Miss Rocha, did Mr. Fabian make those two $200 car payments that he just testified to?
Can't hear you, ma'am.
I said no, but he has given money for babies' diapers and wipes.
Is that more than the $692 credit that we're already giving to him?
I believe so, because he had also gotten baby clothes and bottles.
And just to be clear, are you requesting that the court enter a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Fabian?
What's that? I'm so sorry.
We discussed this. It is the $2,812 that I calculated that he would have been ordered to pay you between September of last year and February of this year, less the $692 that you claim that he either gave to you or used to pay for things. So it is a back child support judgment for a time period where he was not ordered to pay child support, and he would be ordered to pay it back to you. Are you requesting that the court do that?
No.
Okay, so you're fine with there being no retroactive child support included in this order, correct?
That's correct.
Pass the witness, Judge, and I guess I would just ask for a ruling on the issue of the child support.
Then I'll take the agreed portions of the order and make those agreed portions the order of the court. Make the terms of the temporary order terms of the final order. I will order child support at $520 per month. There will be no retroactive child support. All start dates are August 1st, 2025. Mr. Talley, my question to you is, was there a non-disclosure finding in the temp order?
Yes, there was a family violence finding and a non-disclosure finding in the temporary order.
And is to remain, right?
That's correct. The only term of the temporary order that is not being included in the final order is the change in the health insurance coverage.
Okay.
I
Yes,
have
sir.
a question. In the future, if I do like change insurances, does it matter if I have to show it to you, or as long as she knows?
You have to give it to the Attorney General and to Ms. Rocha.
Okay.
Any other questions from either one of you?
So the child support is not gonna be set at 250?
No, sir.
Okay.
You want me to give you credit for $200 car payments on your retro, but you don't want to pay $520 in child support, but you
No,
want $200 payments to count against your retro.
no,
Don't-
this month is gonna be 700, and next month I'm gonna have to pay both of my cars and her cars.
Okay, well, if you give her $520, she'll have money available to help toward her car note.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
anything further, Mr. Talley?
No, Judge. Thank you.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
We have an agreed final order in suit affecting the parent-child relationship. If I could read the terms of the order.
You may.
Thank you, Judge. It's one child before the court. Parties are in agreement to be appointed as joint managing conservators of the child. Parties agree that the mother, Ms. Arroyo, will be the conservator with the exclusive right to determine the residence in Dallas or any contiguous counties. Judge, parties do currently have visitation schedule that they agree to. However, a standard possession and access schedule is attached in the event there is not an agreement. As far as the support is concerned, parties agreed that Mr. Castillo would provide the health insurance through his employer. Parties also agree that he would provide the dental insurance through his employer. And child support, Judge, for the one child at 20% would be $808 a month, beginning August 1st, 2025. There is no request for any retroactive child support, medical, or dental support. Court costs as billed to Mr. Castillo, and neither party is requesting a non-disclosure. That is extent of the agreement, Judge. If I could call the parties.
May call your first witness.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother. Ms. Aurora, can you unmute your phone and state your full name?
I'm here.
Can you state your full name?
Reina Arroyo.
And Ms. Arroyo, did you hear all the terms of the order that were just stated to the court?
Yes.
And did you understand all of those terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the terms and believe they're in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
And do you have safety concerns with your address and contact information being listed in the order today?
No.
I'll pass the witness, Judge, and ask that the record reflect that Mr. Royal has agreed to the terms of the order. I'm sorry, Judge. I'll pass the witness.
You may call your next witness, Ms. Peoples.
I'll call the father, Mr. Castillo. Can you state your full name?
Justin Castillo.
And Mr. Castillo, did you hear the terms of the order?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand all of those terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement with the terms and believe that they're in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have any safety concerns as far as your address and information being in the court order today?
No.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Then I'll accept the agreement of the parties, make this agreement the final order of this court. Do either one of you have any questions?
Yes, I do.
What's your question, sir?
After this, would y'all email me that information for the insurance so I could
They will email you a
enroll?
copy of the order, sir.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Any other questions?
I also have a question.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Your Honor. Is there a way that I could possibly drop the whole case? and not have the legal agreement in place?
Not at this point.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I mean, you can always close your case with the Attorney General's office, but that would be between you and the Attorney General.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Anything further?
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you.